Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to program a 2005 Infiniti G35 key fob. Start by sitting in the driver's seat with all doors closed and both keys present. Insert the key into the ignition and cycle between on and OFF positions as directed to enter programming mode. Follow button sequences on the new fob until the doors lock and unlock to confirm success, then test each button twice. Begin by inserting the key and turning the ignition on then OFF 3 times within 5 seconds, ending with the key in OFF. Close and open the driver door as needed to prompt the vehicle to enter programming mode, watching for the door locks to cycle. If the locks cycle, the car is ready to accept remotes. If not, repeat the steps calmly and check battery and door status before trying again. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes workshop cleanup effortless, and it finds drop screws without complaining. It's a neat addition to any DIY setup and saves time on floor messes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. With the vehicle in programming mode, press any button on the new key fob within 20 seconds and hold briefly until you hear a lock cycle or horn chirp confirming registration. Repeat for additional remotes, ensuring each fob is registered separately during the same programming session. Once all remotes are programmed, turn the ignition to on and then OFF to exit programming mode. Then step out and test each button from a short distance to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.